Good Sunday morning, everybody. We are in the truck. Where are we going?
I fall like a star from the heavens. I fall.
Middle of nowhere, Maryland.
So it is a 4.5-hour drive according to the GPS, 305 miles away. We have 337 miles to E with a full tank, and we are going to pick up an engine block for the Syclone. What else are we doing?
And we're going to go see the world's fastest thing.
The world's fastest thing.
The world's fastest thing that can sustain that speed for that long in the air.
I don't know what's wrong with you, but so yeah, there was a convenient stop that we could make on our way back. So
I've always wanted to, but I've always actually wanted to go anyways. It was already in the works. Like, I've always wanted to go up there into Washington DC and go to the Smithsonian. So it just kind of worked out that we could spend the day going to get the block and that at the same time.
yeah.
So we're gonna go see the biggest chunk of titanium I've ever seen in my life.
Titanium. Oh, better plug in the dash cam since, the truck is running now. Why does that truck sound like that?
That's so
I thought
bad.
that was a Jake brake.
I thought it was too.
That's absolutely horrible.
Wow. Not bad.
Should we say what the engine block is going to be, or just wait and show people?
Nah. Let's wait.
Fair enough.
We'll wait 6 months when I finally get it done.
Oh, you want to wait that long?
I don't want anyone to know what we're putting in this thing until it's almost
Oh,
done.
wow. Okay, so we're picking up an engine block, and we're not going to show you guys what it is.
I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. You have to wait and see.
Unless if we will give you a sneak peek if you're a member of the channel, not a subscriber. Members get, more perks and stuff, so make sure you pay for that membership, and maybe we'll just give you a sneak peek of what the engine's going to be.
It's a membership?
Yeah, you can do memberships on YouTube.
Like a Patreon? Basically.
Not really. It's like, Instagram has subscriptions, that you pay for, and, they see whatever, but YouTube, it's memberships.
Huh.
Yeah.
Then, that's why you're behind the computer.
Yeah. So, brought the camera along so that we can vlog a little bit of the trip today. It's a long drive, so not gonna vlog the entirety of it. I don't think I have that much space on this camera, but
Just got on the highway. Literally. Just got on the highway.
literally.
And we set the old cruise control here and
Kick
see
back.
you later.
All right, we're about 10 minutes out-ish. 11, sorry.
Figure it out.
We've gone up to 13.1 miles per gallon on the truck. 517 miles to E. Just stopped at the gas station. That was a horrible experience.
5:49.
Why are you braking? Dude, for real, what are you braking for? If you...
What the fuck are you doing, bro? Oh my god, I hate Virginia so much.
The roads are awful. The drivers are worse.
Like, this place sucks.
Anyways, I'm not going to record too much at this guy's house.
Yeah, we're gonna record that, but also let's tell everyone how it's beautifully sunny and perfect back home. The second we got out of North Carolina, downpour, it's been shitty the whole ride since.
Oh yeah, it's been cloudy, it's been rainy, the whole drive has just been crappy weather.
But yeah, back home it's still nice.
Yeah,
Weird.
so,
Okay.
that's great.
I hate every state above North Carolina. Sucks.
Yeah. But yeah, not gonna record too much at this guy's house because I don't like recording people that I don't know. I think that's weird. And we also can't show you the motor that's going in the Syclone. So
And if we showed you the cool ass car that he's got next to the motor,
you would know.
You would probably know what motor is going in. So
maybe I'll try to record some of that and we'll include it once everybody knows what the motor is.
Yeah.
Just so
Because his car looks pretty gangster.
does it?
It's I'd want. And not the generation, but the color I'd want for my generation.
Shit.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll be back. That thing's clean.
Oh, well, it's not.
Oh, it looked clean through the camera at least.
Fucking clap down the side of it. I can see it.
All right. I thought that car was not going to stop.
I didn't think they were to stop either.
Block is secured. Chatted with the guy.
Himself.
He cut himself.
As always.
Guy was super cool. Had a really cool car.
It's the perfect color.
It's the perfect color. I won't show any clips of that until after everything. Oh, Jesus Christ, what a cluster. But I did take a couple little clips that I will clip in. We are back on the road and we have 51 minutes and we will be at the Smithsonian Air and Space Museum so that we can see cool things. Yeah! Good Lord. Yeah, that's about. You got anything to say while we're here?
No, I'm super excited.
Yeah.
I did everything that I wanted to accomplish today.
I'm
And I'm about to see one of my favorite things ever. For
Yeah.
the first time in 32 years.
very happy for you.
Thanks.
Yeah.
I'm pretty psyched. And I get to do it with you.
Yeah. I'm hot and sweaty, man.
I know. The AC needs to hurry up.
Yeah.
Turn it up.
Oh.
Kevin! No!
Kevin!
Alright, anyways, we'll, when we see some cool stuff and when you see me running like Blue from Monsters Inc. up to my favorite thing in the world, you can record that.
Yep.
Anyways, block is secure, better than I thought it was going to be for the price.
Mm-hmm.
Can't wait to throw a shitload of boost through it
Oh, yeah.
after I build it because it's a stock block.
Needs a little something.
Needs a little love, but there it is.
Yep.
See you later, YouTube.
He's bed up.
Ouch.
I feel like this is going to be the point of the road trip where
We're in traffic the whole way home now.
Yeah.
Until we get to North Carolina, and then it'll be
Yeah.
open.
just open, nice roads. Instead, we just have crappy roads that people
Is
are.
that the Matt tan? Is that?
Yeah, it's like the Matt Ormy tan. This person has their whole life in their car.
Maybe they're moving.
How do you feel about Maryland?
About Maryland?
Yeah.
If it's not Ocean City, I hate Maryland.
Maryland was the first state on this side of the country that I've ever been to.
Maryland's, I mean, in certain areas, it's actually extremely nice.
Oh, yeah.
It's just like anything. Being outskirts of the city, it's nice.
Yeah.
Second you're in a city, it's a dump.
Yeah.
I mean, Raleigh is a dump in North Carolina.
True.
Charlotte's a dump. You go outskirts of Charlotte and outskirts of Raleigh, it's not a dump.
Yeah.
Just I just hate cities and people. That's all.
Same.
I want to be by myself on an island with you and my dog.
In your cars?
Just one of the cars, not the other one. We want a GD500, I'll sell it to you at a discounted rate.
What's the discounted rate?
50 grand.
That's not very discounted.
That's me losing 50 grand.
God, Jesus Christ. It's okay, I lost my ass on my Mustang too, so it is what it is. Cars.
That dude that wanted to trade me that minty OEM as hell 15,000 mile silver Terminator was kind of tempting, but I would have to get that car and then never drive it or enjoy
Yeah.
it. Eventually that would maybe be worth something, but
Yeah, right. Then you own a Terminator.
yeah, with like the worst interior ever. Can't stand the SN95 interior.
It's so awful. 13.1.
Yeah, it went up. I thought Raptors were bad on fuel with the V8.
Yeah.
I mean, that's not great, but
I would much rather have the Fusion for gas mileage right now, but here we are.
I mean, honestly, my F-250 Power Stroke got 11 towing, and like not towing, it got like 14.
Oh.
So like I'm not complaining about that.
Huh.
I've always had horrible fuel mileage on trucks, so.
I guess.
I mean, Jason, our neighbor, his truck's like 10, no matter what.
True.
That thing's horrible on
Well, I
fuel.
mean, it's a brick on wheels.
It's a big truck. Yeah. I mean, it's also a Chevy, though. Chevys have never been fuel efficient.
Chevys are trash.
The only time you can get a fuel efficient truck is if it's a Cummins. They get like 25 miles per gallon towing. It's ridiculous.
Yeah. I don't understand.
I don't understand what
Well,
the
it's because it's a inline 6, not a V8.
I don't know. I thought you were saying You don't understand about the traffic.
Oh no, the Cummins getting better gas mileage.
Cummins, you can come and stroke this.
All right, well, we're done.
Cool.
After spending, how long did we spend to? Okay, we spent like 20 minutes trying to find parking.
Yeah, because the Raptor is too tall for parking garages.
Yeah, and there's no street parking.
Yeah, just all cars, not a single truck on the street parking.
Yeah.
No.
That could fit in the parking
don't worry
garages.
about it.
Yeah. So here we are, finally making our way to the museum.
It's just ridiculous, like how tall new pickup trucks are. Like
Yeah.
even
Oh,
250s and stuff. They're just
Jason's
tall.
truck is like taller than ours.
Oh, that, yeah, they're like 7 something.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a big dildo.
On today's episode of things you shouldn't stick up your butt.
Let's go upstairs.
Okay. Satellite. No SR-71, no care. Some of it is.
I know.
It's just a little baby one.
Let's see.
So, fun fact, we went to the wrong place.
Whose fault?
I don't know that it was anybody's because I checked the photos on the thing and it showed the SR-71 at the Smithsonian, but it wasn't at the proper building. So we had to drive to Chantilly, Virginia, which Brendan didn't want to, but I told him we might as well just do it. Frick it. So
Frick it.
we're finally going to see the SR-71 Blackbird.
Only reason we're here.
Only reason we're here, we're in, see it, out. Might stare at it for 30 minutes, but, you know.
Might whack off real quick too.
Stop! I can see what he's excited for. Did you lock it? Pop it, lock it, polka dot it. Whoa. Yeah.
That's a Decepticon.
I know your secret.
Cool. Now let's go see it.
Okay.
The windows are even all preserved. They haven't started to oxidize and deteriorate yet.
Hmm.
Been on display here for a long time.
I want to touch the butt.
Oh, I'm touching it.
You're gonna land yourself on a watch list. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, I see some drips on it. The fact that it's still, you can see where it seeped through the metal.
Yeah. Oh, it's fucking big. I knew it was big. I didn't know it was this big.
That's what she said.
That's what she said.
This is the coolest plane ever built. I don't care what anyone says.
Yeah.
Imagine what those things fucking look like and sound like screaming at fucking 2,000 or 2,000 miles.
I don't think you'd be able to hear it. Your hearing would be gone. See, that's what he has. He has that mounted in concrete. Yeah.
I didn't think they were that big. I thought they were only like 6 or 7 feet.
Yeah.
Dude, that has to be 10 feet.
Yeah. Uses it as a house number display.
You didn't show it to me, too.
Oh, shit. I'm slacking. Very aerodynamic.
Very tip of the wings on the outside, they like curl in.
Yeah.
It's wild.
They look like a bird, like bird wings.
Yeah. Oh, space shuttle's back there.
Oh, yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's cool. SR-71.
What is it? It's on stilts. The tires aren't even on the ground.
Oh, yeah. Probably so they don't have flat spots. You know, just in case you need to use the plane one day.
I mean, realistically, you don't want to put those on the concrete, yeah, but it's weird. What's the power cord going to?
The lights under it. Babe.
I just want to touch it.
I know. You're gonna land yourself on a list somewhere.
Alright, so here's the game plan. You distract the guards. I'm gonna jump from the third story and land on top of it. And I'm gonna go run to the front of the cockpit and I'm gonna start it and fucking drive it right out the door.
I don't think I can create enough of a diversion. I was gonna say I could faint.
Nah.
Oh, we have one of the Blue Angels here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty freaking sweet. All of it sweet. And then the space shuttle. You can jump down?
Huh?
You can jump down?
I'm holding back from doing it.
We'll ride it like a horse.
Sorry, I just wanted to feel the power between my legs. Really Armageddon. Please get off the armored warhead.
Wild.
I just can't get over how big it is. I didn't think they were that big.
Yeah, they're huge.
Oh my gosh! Nemo's swimming out the sea!
Don't you dare! If you put one fin on that boat, are you listening to me? Don't touch the boat. Nemo!
He touched the butt.